people open their own laundry shop. Okay? And this year, I believe he will help another 800 to 1,000 people open a laundry shop. The other thing I heard others speak about is Big Wash ourselves. We do have our own laundry shops, and we have a lot of data across the Philippines. The trend is that in the last quarter of last year, laundry shop income has risen above pre-COVID levels. Okay? So it gives you great confidence, and it took a long time. After COVID, it was slow, and it took a long time to build back up. But in the last quarter last year, across the nation, laundry shop income has risen above what we saw pre-COVID, which gives me great confidence that we're on the right track. Express Clean as a partner for you, what I can promise you as their partner and as their distributor, they have the technical skill and capability when it comes to the machines. The machines are what delivers you your income. But your partner is who supports you in terms of how to operate a successful and profitable laundry shop. They have very strong management and very strong leadership, as you can see, with the husband and wife team and the team that they brought here to put in front of you today. They have a very high level of commitment to their customers. Okay, I've seen that, and there's no way they'd be opening 800 shops with customers if they didn't have a significant commitment to their customers. They have the full support of both Big Wash as the distributor and LG as the manufacturer. Okay. And as Alex said, the time is always when you've got the money and you can find the space, open a laundry shop and start making money. Right.
Thank you so much, Lydia. Okay, and everyone, I would like to announce